All right, so one of our movements today is a bird dog. On this bird dog, we have Jaden here who is going to come down to hands and knees. Hands are going to be underneath our shoulders, knees are going to be underneath our hips. She's going to extend that right arm and left leg all the way out. She's going to touch elbow to knee underneath her body and then extend them all the way out again. When we're here, we want to think about stabilizing that core, not letting your body rock right to left, and just getting that elbow to your knee. And that is our bird dog.